Hey, welcome back to your Precision Data Ag channel's fine Friday evening. Of course, this is now we're taking a look at stock which I have a small investment. That is the Vanguard International Total Stock Fund, or Total International Stock Fund. Of course, as always, there's two videos. First video is stock charts and returns. The second video, as always, is forecasting, profit, ETS, naive forecasting, and ARIMA forecasting. So let's jump right before we get started. Of course, standard disclaimer applies. This video is for educational purposes only. It's not intended for investment, trading, or financial advice. Okay, so let's jump right in. We start, as always, with the 100 moving average and the 20 moving average and the closing price. You can see this stock is below the 100 moving average. So that's not good. Anyway, hope we'll make a recovery here during the third quarter of during the second quarter of the year. MACD plot, definitely some downward momentum here. My goodness. Here's something new for you folks out there in stock land. This is, of course, back to the old Bollinger Bands. Look at this big crossover over here, and now we're. The good news is we're still within the two standard deviations. The bad news is it's the -2 standard deviations. Okay, first and last close of the month. Right now, good grief, we got a lot of space to make up to get back to even here by the 31st, right? Let's take a look at returns. You can see the good news is it's still over. This is zero, so it's still about 33% above where it was at the beginning of 2024. Cumulative returns. Okay. So if you invested $10,000 back here, it's now still worth about $13,500. So you still have about $3,500. Drawdown, zero means new high. So you can see we had a pretty good run going on since 2024. Okay, so that takes care of the first video. The second, as always, stay tuned for that. That is forecasting. Okay.